Hello again, this is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. I have my June Lavender Blue Design Team project. The kits I've used are Coffee Stained News, Tattered Notebook, Printable Ephemera Pack 1, and Vintage Wallpaper. I used a Reader's Digest for the cover, and beautiful rose material. A little bit of vintage trim on the edges, a light teal color. I used paper clay and made these embellishments here and put some bronze colored mica powder on that. Sari silk tie. It is stained a little bit with a teal color and a tea stain color. Small dangle on the cover. Right, let's get to the inside. There's a lace pocket that goes all the way across the back. In here, one of the pieces from a Tattered notebook, and this I copied, I'm sorry, not copied, I printed Coffee Stained News on one side and Tattered Notebook on the other side. Attached a small index card for notes. A little bit of cardstock turned into a pocket. Embellishment kit. This is Coffee Stained News. I did some stamping throughout the journal with teal colored circles, dots. Little tuck spot, belly band, a little blue paper flower, and it has Nuvo drops for a little bit of sparkle. Small tuck pocket here. Belly band. This is a Tattered notebook. Coffee Stained News. Little alphabet journaling card. Little whale tail tab on there. Throughout the book, you'll see that I used this is a paper bag, and I just cut it up into strips and made a little ruffle on the edges. Small little tuck spot with circles cut from Coffee Stained News and small tag. This is Tattered Notebook, turned into a journaling card. Small journaling spot with some extra of the Coffee Stained newspaper. This is masking paper. It's a pretty teal blue color. Made a little pocket. Oh, 3 little tags. An altered envelope. There's actually 2 pockets in here. The first one is part of the wallpaper, vintage wallpaper pack. And that slips in the front pocket and the back pocket. One of the pages cut down to a journaling card size. I printed quite a few different sizes of the kit. This is from Tattered Notebook. Like that, and that goes there. A little bit of a collage with some of the elements from the pages. This is a series of, it's a paper bag and folded it in half and turned it into two pockets and a tuck spot. A little bit of collage on them. This is Tattered notebook. One of the pages made smaller and turned into a journaling spot. This is a part of one of the pages that I cut out for a journaling card, and this is just a piece of paper for additional writing. A little bit more collage with the elements from the kit Tattered notebook and Coffee Stained News. No, I'm sorry, this is Coffee Stained News. Part of vintage wallpaper, printed on one side and Tattered notebook on the other. A small tag with a tiny little tag inside. This is one of the pockets in the kits. Coffee Stained News made it really small. This is an altered envelope. Did some staining and some gesso and stamping. And just a small card. Love you more than coffee. Extra journaling space. Coffee Stained News, other part of the envelope. This is a butterfly from the kit Tattered notebook. And a small bit of collage here. And inside is a journaling card from one of Fiona's freebies. This is vintage wallpaper turned into a card with tea stain backed and sewn. A little tuck spot there. The other side of that folded paper bag, some tags. It was cut from Coffee Stained News, and then these guys are from the printable ephemera pack. A little bit of collage there. This pocket was from the kit Coffee Stained News. This is from Tattered notebook, turned into a journaling spot, backed with tea-stained paper. And I have several of these tea bags. They are the very large size, so I wanted to make a pocket out of that. And in here is just a tag. And one of the pages, piece cut off and added to to make a journaling spot. And that's tucked back behind. And then this is from the printable ephemera pack, and made a little belly band with just a strip of paper and a bit of collage. Right, tucked in. Tattered notebook. Masking paper with a piece of Tattered notebook. This is a paper clip. This is just a craft colored envelope. And then this was one of Fiona's freebies also. One of the pages cut down for another journaling card. Another element cut off of one of the pages, turned into a tuck spot. CD envelope. I don't have anything in this one. Journaling space. Oh, let's see. I love her in her dress of crinoline. That is the first signature. The second signature, again, this is Coffee Stained News. And journaling spot. Just an extra piece of one of the pages cut to make a tuck spot. And then just another journaling spot. And another one of those paper bag envelopes folded in half. And this is also a pocket. It's part of the pocket is part of the kit. A bit of collage and tattered notebook with coffee stained news on the back. A little bit more collage. This is just a die cut. Remember these moments. Coffee stained news, and then printable ephemera here, and a small tag made from one of the pages. This is the other part of the craft envelope and part of the kit. Just a piece of graph paper tucked into the pocket from Coffee Stained News, and a few of the printable ephemera pack items. I think this one is one of my favorites. This was a envelope, the other portion of the envelope, and it opens up, and there is from Tattered notebook, another little journaling spot, or you can tuck a little photo in there. That folds up, that folds down, and that is a little magnet. This is Tattered notebook. This was another one of Fiona's freebies. Turned into a journaling spot. This is part of the wallpaper, vintage wallpaper kit. Another CD envelope and one of the tags from the Coffee Stained newspaper. The new Coffee Stained News. Alright, this is Tattered notebook here, and Coffee Stained News turned into a large pocket or tuck. One of the vintage ephemera. This is a part of an altered envelope again, and small tag. And other portion of that envelope, lovely crinkly window, and it actually matches vintage wallpaper very well. And this is one of the pages. Let's open that all up. Just folded and tucked in here for more journaling space. Another belly band with the Coffee Stained News, and we've got journaling spot, a little notebook, various tea stained papers, and one of the printable ephemera pack. One of the pages cut down to make a pocket, and just little ledger page. Printable ephemera pack, tiny tag, and just a little collage here. Craft envelope. This is a piece of textured wallpaper that I went ahead and stained with that pretty teal blue color. And this is part of the printable ephemera pack. Butterfly from the Tattered notebook kit, and another journaling spot. A little bit of fussy cut rose on here. Coffee Stained News, and another little tiny collage on that paper. This is a very long card. I believe this was one of the Fiona's freebies. turned into a journaling spot, if I can get it back in there. And one of the pages turned into a tag. And printable ephemera pack. Very cute items in there. And this was a page cut down, turned into a tuck spot from a Tattered notebook. And on the back again, this is a little notebook with some scrap paper. Tea stained. That tucks in there. And there you have it. Let's see, I have about, there were 118 pages total in this. And it was a lot of fun making, using the two kits. Coffee Stain News and Tattered Notebook. I'll list both of those down below. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, have a wonderful day.